I had a dream. Got everything I wanted. But when I wake up,
Hello world, so today I am going to do a little mini review on this Burano Polygel Kit. I actually did these nails with this kit. They're just a simple clear butterfly design. I actually already have an LED light. I have this one by MelodySusie, and I didn't need an LED light, so I got this kit for that reason, because it was one of the few ones that didn't come with an actual LED light, so I already had one. This kit was actually $30 on Amazon, and I'll link it down below. It is packed. Like, it comes with everything you might need to do your own nails at home with polygel, which is way easier in my opinion than acrylics. So this is what it looks like. It comes in with a little manual on how to use the kit. It tells you exactly step by step on how to do it. I personally just watch YouTube videos. I'm more of a visual person like that. The first thing that I see here, it has these, and at first I didn't know what these were, but they are actually forms. And then it comes with 7 different colors of polygels. The one that I'm wearing now is this soft pink one, and it just looks like a natural pink color, as you can see. So it comes with white, soft pink, nude, pink, magic orange. So I guess this changes with temperature. With cold it goes orange, and in the warm it becomes clear, as well as this one is so purple in the cold and clear in the warmer temperature. And then there's the light apricot one. It also comes with a solution to make the polygel manageable. I heard that you can use alcohol instead of this. It doesn't smell like alcohol. It doesn't smell anything. If anything, it smells pretty sweet. It's not overwhelming at all though. Alrighty, then it comes with the base coat and the top coat, which are pretty good to have. I already have like 4 of these. So this is a wipe-free top coat, so you don't have to wipe it after you apply it. It's you know how sometimes they are sticky after you apply it? The base coat is sticky, but the top coat isn't, so that's good. It also comes with some glitters. I actually use this glitter for my nails, as you can tell. And then it comes with some rhinestones as well. And of course, with the brush, which is super slick looking and very nice. On the one side it has the spatula, and on the other side, of course, it has the brush. And this is like a perfect size brush. I really like it. And finally we have nail dual forms, and I actually bought another box of these thinking that I was gonna need them, but you can actually reuse these, so that's pretty cool. And the last thing that's in here, of course, is a review. If you like them, look them up on Facebook or Instagram. So that is all that comes in this kit. Oh, I forgot, I actually used this already. It comes with a file, which is really good. I don't know why it doesn't come off though. Like, I tried cleaning it, but it wouldn't come off. So this is a pretty good file too. So I think it's pretty good. It's really affordable for all the things that come in it. So if you want to see how it applies and how manageable the gel is and everything. Just keep on watching and you'll be able to see how I do these nails.